If you are also thinking of buying TikTok followers like I am, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, I will show you live how to buy 10,000 TikTok followers using just one website. This video will be very interesting for you when you're considering buying followers. After watching this video, you will easily be able to meet the 10K followers criteria on your TikTok creativity account. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let me guide you step by step on how to buy TikTok followers. First, you can log into a website directly using your Google account. The website's name is Nysop. Here, you'll notice a balance tab at the top and additional tabs on the left corner. You may also see pop-ups that highlight Nysop as your social growth partner. They also inform users about earning a $5 referral bonus for each referral. And for investing $100, you receive a $10 cashback bonus. I needed 10,000 followers for my TikTok account, since I had only 2,000 followers and aimed to reach 10,000. To achieve this, I used Nysop, a platform offering various social media services. On Nysop, you'll find options like new orders, mass orders, services, and orders. I clicked on services where options for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more are available. Since I needed TikTok followers, I selected TikTok to proceed. A variety of TikTok services appeared, such as TikTok followers not guaranteed, TikTok followers guaranteed, TikTok high followers, and targeted country followers. I chose TikTok followers guaranteed, which fit my $30 budget and could help me reach my goal. After selecting the $2.75 offer, a new interface appeared. The service description explained a 1-month refill option for followers, meaning they can be refilled within 30 days if they drop. Always read service details before purchasing. Next, I pasted my account link into the link box by copying it from TikTok and pasting it into Nysop. Then I entered the quantity as 10,000 followers and the total updated to $27.50, which suited my budget. I clicked the purchase button, placed my order, and within minutes, followers started appearing on my account. While waiting for the followers to arrive, I learned to add funds on Nysop. To do so, click on Add Funds. Several payment options are available, including crypto, payer, perfect money, bank transfer, and cards. I chose crypto, entered $100 as an example, and received a $9 bonus. After completing my details and clicking Pay here, the funds were successfully added. You can see that I successfully received 11.9K followers on my account within about 2 to 3 hours, which is impressive. However, using these followers alone won't make me thousands of dollars or bring me a lot of popularity. The main benefit of these followers is that they helped me reach my follower goal. Now, let me show you my screen to make it clearer. So, look here. I opened my account on my mobile. This is my TikTok Creativity Program account, and to monetize it, I needed 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. I've now completed the 10,000 followers requirement, as you can see on the screen. Now, to fully monetize my account, I need around 100,000 views, which I can easily achieve by uploading videos. So, buying followers has made it easier for me to complete my 10,000 follower requirement. Let me show you a business idea using Nysop. Look, by using Nysop, we can easily make a good amount of money. For this, you simply need to create a TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram account. On these accounts, you need to add a minimum of 5,000 followers and a maximum of 10,000 followers using Nysop. I know this might require some investment, but trust me, if you put in time, investment, and consistency, you can literally make thousands of dollars. Here's how. Create accounts on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any social media platform you like. On these accounts, purchase between a minimum of 5,000 and a maximum of 10,000 followers. Then, you can sell these accounts to friends or random buyers. For example, if you spend $30 to get 10,000 followers on a TikTok account, just like in the video, you should sell that 10,000 follower account for $50. This way, you make a $20 profit per account. If you sell 5 accounts in a week, you can easily make $250 in 1 week. Selling around 20 accounts in a month can bring in $1,000 just using Nysop, and if we cut our investment at around $1,000, we can easily make a profit of $400 in a month, or even $100 profit in every week. If you're wondering how to sell these accounts, just type "need details" in the comment box, and I'll explain this method in my next video. I hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to Media Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.